The last week of February 2024 has been eventful in the world of generative artificial intelligence Gen AI, with several key developments making headlines. 1. AI-powered observer in Abu Dhabi International Holding. The $238 billion Abu Dhabi International Holding IHC has added an AI-powered observer, Aiden Insight, to its board. This initiative, backed by G42 and Microsoft, aims to enhance decision-making with AI's ability to process and analyze vast business data. It signifies the UAE's ambition to become a leading AI hub. 2. Elon Musk's lawsuit against OpenAI. Tesla's Elon Musk has sued OpenAI's chief Sam Altman, alleging a shift from the company's original mission of developing AI for humanity to a profit-driven approach. The lawsuit highlights concerns over the secrecy surrounding GPT-4, OpenAI's advanced AI model. 3. UAE's Trade Sustain AI initiative. At the TradeTech Forum, the UAE launched the TradeTech initiative, aiming to integrate AI with global trade and sustainability. This initiative focuses on optimizing shipping routes and developing climate-resilient trade infrastructure. 4. Qatar's push as an AI tech hub. The Web Summit in Doha, Qatar, showcased the country's commitment to becoming a regional IT and AI hub, with significant investments in international and French technology startups. 5. OpenAI under SEC scrutiny. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is investigating OpenAI's internal communications, led by CEO Sam Altman, to determine if investors were misled, highlighting potential antitrust and national security concerns. Join us in this video as we explore these significant developments in the Gen AI landscape, offering insights into the evolving role of AI in corporate governance, international trade, and global technology trends. The final week of February 2024 has been a defining moment in the world of generative artificial intelligence Gen AI, with several groundbreaking developments. 1. AI in corporate governance. Abu Dhabi International Holding IHC, a $238 billion company, has added an AI-powered observer, Aiden Insight, to its board. This move, in collaboration with G42 and Microsoft, is a significant step in integrating AI into corporate governance, highlighting the UAE's ambition to become an AI hub. 2. Elon Musk vs. OpenAI. Tesla's Elon Musk has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI's chief Sam Altman. Musk accuses OpenAI of deviating from its original mission for humanity and moving towards profit, particularly concerning the secrecy around GPT-4. 3. UAE's Trade Sustain AI initiative. At the TradeTech Forum, the UAE launched the Trade AI initiative, aiming to blend AI with global trade and sustainability. This initiative focuses on optimizing shipping routes and developing climate-resilient trade infrastructure. 4. Qatar's AI tech hub ambition. The Web Summit in Doha, Qatar, emphasized the country's commitment to becoming a regional IT and AI hub, with significant investments in technology startups and a focus on AI. 5. SEC scrutiny of OpenAI. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is investigating OpenAI, particularly CEO Sam Altman's communications, for potential investor misinformation. This scrutiny reflects concerns over antitrust and national security in AI. Join us in this comprehensive video as we delve into these significant Gen AI developments, exploring their implications and impact on the global technology landscape. The last week of February 2024 has been a landmark period in the field of generative artificial intelligence Gen AI, featuring several key developments that have shaped the tech world. 1. AI's integration in corporate governance. The Abu Dhabi International Holding IHC, valued at $238 billion, has added an AI-powered observer named Aiden Insight to its board. This move, supported by G42 and Microsoft, represents a significant step in integrating AI into corporate decision-making. Aiden Insight's role in analyzing business data and market trends highlights the UAE's ambition to become a central AI hub. 2. Elon Musk's lawsuit against OpenAI. Elon Musk, the head of Tesla, has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI's chief Sam Altman. Musk alleges that OpenAI has shifted from its original mission of developing AI for the benefit of humanity to a profit-oriented approach. The lawsuit raises concerns about the secrecy surrounding OpenAI's advanced AI model, GPT-4. 3. UAE's Trade Sustain AI Initiative. At the TradeTech Forum, the UAE launched the Trade AI Initiative, aiming to merge AI with global trade and sustainability. This initiative focuses on reducing fuel consumption and carbon emissions by optimizing shipping routes and developing climate-resilient trade infrastructure. 4. Qatar's emergence as an AI tech hub. The Web Summit in Doha, Qatar, showcased the country's commitment to becoming a regional IT and AI hub, with significant investments in technology startups. Qatar's focus on AI was evident during the summit and its recent state visit to Paris. 5. OpenAI under SEC scrutiny. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is investigating OpenAI, particularly CEO Sam Altman's internal communications, to determine if investors were misled. This scrutiny reflects growing concerns over antitrust and national security issues in AI. Join us in this extended video for a detailed exploration of these pivotal developments in Gen AI, offering a deeper understanding of their impact on the global tech landscape. The final week of February 2024 has been a pivotal period in the realm of generative artificial intelligence Gen AI, marked by transformative developments and strategic moves. 1. AI's role in corporate governance. The Abu Dhabi International Holding IHC, a $238 billion firm, has introduced Aiden Insight, an AI-powered observer, to its board. This groundbreaking move, supported by G42 and Microsoft, aims to leverage AI for enhanced decision-making by analyzing extensive business data. It underscores the UAE's commitment to becoming a leading AI hub. 2. Elon Musk's legal battle with OpenAI. Tesla's Elon Musk has initiated a lawsuit against OpenAI's chief Sam Altman. Musk accuses the company of deviating from its original mission, benefiting humanity through AI, focusing instead on profit. The lawsuit brings to light concerns about the secrecy of OpenAI's advanced AI model, GPT-4. 3. UAE's Trade Sustain AI Initiative. At the TradeTech Forum, parallel to the World Trade Organization's 13th Ministerial Congress, the UAE launched the Trade AI Initiative. This initiative is a strategic move to integrate AI with global trade and sustainability, focusing on optimizing shipping routes and developing climate-resilient trade infrastructure. 4. Qatar's ambition as an AI tech hub. The Web Summit in Doha, Qatar, highlighted the country's ambition to become a regional IT and AI hub, with significant investments in technology startups. Qatar is positioning itself as a key player in the global tech landscape. 5. OpenAI under SEC investigation. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is scrutinizing OpenAI, particularly the internal communications of CEO Sam Altman. This investigation is part of a broader concern over potential antitrust and national security issues related to AI technologies. Join us in this extended video as we delve into these significant developments, offering a comprehensive overview of the latest trends and strategic shifts in the Gen AI landscape.